Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Algebra. This is first question of its exercise 11.3. So the question says that make up as many expressions with numbers as you can form three numbers 5, 7 and 8. Every number should be used not more than once. Use only addition, subtraction and multiplication. So expressions are as follows. So expression हो जाएगा हमारे 5 into 8 plus 7. So हमें यूज करने नंबर 5, 7, 8 एंड ऑपरेशंस यूज करने एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन. हो जाएगा 5 into 8 minus 7, 7 into 8 plus 5, 7 into 8 minus 5, then 7 into next हो जाएगा हमारा 8 into 7 plus 5 and 8 into 7 minus 5. So these are the expressions by using number 5, 7 and 8 once at a time and operations addition, subtraction and multiplication. Thank you.